Okay guys, so if you have this weather strip for the window broken or peeled, you need maybe to either like buy it from, you will find the cheapest one online, more than $50, or you can do the same trick I'm doing today, is using this cheap black silicone. I bought it from Amazon, less than $10, and I applied for the first layer this week, and you can see the result. Now I'm applying the second layer. This will seal and protect this strip for a while. I don't know how long it will be, maybe a year, and then I will show you the result after applying this. So you can apply it either directly. I'm using my finger for smearing it. This will make it like fine finished at the end. Let me show you later. So you can see I applied now the second layer. I'm going to smear it now, make it better, like finish. I'm using my finger. Try to avoid excessive on the window, and you can remove it later. Okay, you can see today, after one day, you can see the result. Fantastic. Any contact with the glass, you can remove it, you can clean it before getting hard, and then it will be easy.